This is a quick MacBook Pro screen replacement tutorial, clear and professional. Tools you'll need: pentalobe screwdriver, suction cup, spudger, anti-static mat, replacement screen. First, power down and disconnect any cables. Safety first, unplug and discharge. Remove the bottom screws with a pentalobe driver and lift the case carefully. Unscrew the display latch screws and open the hinge to access the display cables. Use a suction cup and spudger to separate the glass, working slowly to avoid damage. Disconnect the display connector with a spudger and remove any adhesive strips. Carefully remove the old screen, align the new panel, and connect the display cable. Reapply adhesive, secure the screen into the frame, and tighten the hinge screws. Replace the bottom case, reinstall pentalobe screws, then power on to test the display. Before and after, the screen now shows full brightness, no cracks, and accurate colors. If you spot issues, stop and consult a professional. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.